Hey guys, Jeb and Joe Outdoors here, in another park in New Jersey. This is Point Mountain Preserve. This particular spot was really hard to find because there's no sign denoting where the parking area is. So it took me a while to find it, and I actually worked up a little bit of an appetite. Anyway, we'll give you a look around. What we're going to do today is a walk along the Muscenetcong River, and let's get started. So here's a view of Point Mountain on one side, and walking over here, you can see the other side. You just have to get through these trees. It's a great ridgeline. This is the Ridgeline Trail, actually, and it goes up and across the ridge. That's not what we're going to be doing today. Today we're going to go down this way, and we're going to hike along the river. Hopefully get some great views, find a place to sit down and have some lunch, and we'll be right back. Really cooling off. I can feel we're getting close to the water. It's about 85 degrees today, and it's really cooling off as we get into the shade and get closer to the river. And there's nobody here, which I like, so I can let Jeb off the leash. And this is exactly where we want to be going. Well guys, remember my call to action video? Pack it out. Look what I found. Garbage. I'll pack it out. Wow, this is really unbelievable. It's a beautiful place, and there's glass everywhere. This is a danger to kids, it's a danger to dogs, it's a danger to people. I'll take it out with me too. It's just all over the place. I gotta put the camera down. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but there's glass everywhere. Everywhere. forest. And we're probably about a quarter mile away from the river, but we're still on the blue trail. It's starting to loop back, but very pretty back here. Some clouds rolling in, but the trees are beautiful. We gotta find a place to eat though. The boy's getting tired, so we'll be right back. More trash once again, which I'll take out. Starting to rain, yay! We're headed back to the car. Well guys, as you can see from the video, the Muscenetcong River at Point Mountain Reserve is beautiful, but the sad thing is that it was full of people. Well, that's not sad, it's just heavily trafficked, and because of that there is just a ton of garbage, really more than Jeb and I could pack out, which is a shame. I will be coming back to do the Ridge Trail, thinking maybe that won't be as bad in terms of trash and people because it's a much more strenuous hike. So we'll see. But until then, until the next video, this is Jeb and Joe Outdoors. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, we'll see you soon.